It's Christmas in July! Let's talk Christmas crochet patterns. Today, Christmas stockings. I'm for big crochet. Are you ready for some Christmas stockings? Because that's what we're going to talk about today. I'm going to show you a couple of simple ones and quite elaborate ones. Now this one is quite unusual. It's sort of a Scandinavian type of feel to it. I like the pointy toes, absolutely cute. This is a more traditional one. I like the special stitch here that gives it a little bit of a pop. And notice the little, can I zoom in on that? Notice the little detail of the Christmas wreath up there. Makes it for the perfect finishing touch. It's the same one in different colors and with a crochet snowflake on there. This one is a vintage holly crochet stocking. It says the 70s. I really like this this feel. It has a very traditional feeling to it. I like it a lot. A little bit of a close-up. I love the way the holly leaves are finished. Oh, this is the one. This is another one of the one we had before with a different color scheme. You can adjust it to someone's favorite school colors or favorite whatever colors. I like this one. I like the of course the pattern of the Christmas tree, but I also like this ribbon with the pom-poms in it. It's you can close it up and get away with the loot that Santa Claus has put in there. This is another shot of it and a close-up of the Christmas tree. Oh, a little Christmas mouse Christmas stocking. I love the details on this thing, the little scarf and everything. It's very cute. Another shot of it, absolutely adorable. And Mrs. Claus is a very elaborate one, this one. I love her hair and the little things she has in her hair. And she's holding a cupcake or a little tart. It's absolutely adorable. And this rim of holly leaves is also beautiful. A little penguin with little felt hearts, absolutely gorgeous. And another shot of it. I like the popping pink color of the stocking itself. And this is the other side. How adorable is this penguin with his little earmuffs. And a reindeer one, also with a scarf and a hat and holly leaves, which are absolutely adorable. I really like this. He has such a cute little face, and the little cheeks are adorable as well. Another reindeer one, a little bit more traditional, very sleek lines, adorable little ears, very cute. And another shot of this. And this is a reindeer, I think, because of the antlers. Without the antlers, it would look like a cat. So if you're more into cats, that's a possibility with this one. I love the additional of the bells and baubles and all sorts of goodness in this stocking. It just is the gift that keeps on giving. This is a more traditional looking one. I love how this beautiful reindeer is, well, it's sort of stitched in there, isn't it, as well as the other patterns. This is a more subdued one, but very, very classy. And here it is, stuffed to the brim with crocheted items. How cute is this thing? Absolutely adorable. I'm not sure what he has on his head, but it's an interesting look. Another look of this. I love the moon and the little trees there, and a close-up. Beautiful work. And this is what it looks on the inside. I love this technique of making patterns within the stocking itself. A simple, straightforward one. I love the idea of putting the name in cross stitch on there, or cross stitch in crochet on there as well. The little pom-pom 3D effect and the beard, absolutely cute. Another shot of it, and another one. And this is Santa. I love the little button eyes. Now, Traditional socks with holly leaves and little bells on them, and of course with Santa Claus himself also with the little bell. Do I have more shots of this? No, this is a more elaborate Santa. Huge, shiny, beautiful bell. He has his sack filled with presents. He has a jolly face and some gorgeous holly leaves and a nice fluffy rim to the stocking itself. Another Santa, and this time his face is on the foot of the stocking. That's a great idea. I love how happy he looks, and with his stuffed mustache on it, it's absolutely adorable. Now this is a happy couple. We already saw Mrs. Claus earlier, and this is of course her husband Santa. They are equally happy to celebrate Christmas, and he's not holding a cupcake but a sack filled with presents. And there he is in all his happy glory. And did you just love the way the mustache is just sewn on there? I love that. I think we had this one already, but it's still... Did we have this one already? I don't know. We had something like this already. But these are with different patterns. I think we had the one with the... Let me check real quick. Yeah, we had this one. It's the same overall stocking pattern, but this time it's with a snowman, and I love this Christmas tree. Close-up of the snowman. I love the 3D effect of the scarf. Gives a nice nice effect. Ah, this is adorable. It's the same kind that we saw already with the big bell, and I like the details of the broom. It's absolutely adorable. And we had the Santa version of this one earlier. This is the snowman version. Cute. You can see different types of snowman. You can see what happens if you put the eyes closer together, or if you make them with bigger buttons and different color schemes. Absolutely, it's great. You can really individualize them for your family members. And here they are both together, the Santa and the snowman stocking. Another snowman stocking, absolutely gorgeous and adorable, and very bright and colorful, bright winter colors. And there it is again. And that was it. I will see you hopefully tomorrow with some more Christmas in July. Happy crocheting!